Meaning of forehead.
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 Forehead. The forehead is the part of the face above the eyebrows and below the hairline. It is a prominent feature of the human head and plays an important role in facial expressions and nonverbal communication. The size and shape of the forehead can vary greatly among individuals and may be influenced by factors such as genetics and age. In some cultures, the forehead is considered a symbol of intelligence or beauty, while in others it may be covered or adorned with jewelry or other decorations.